तृणमूल काँग्रेस गोंयकारां मदीं फूट घालपाचें राजकारण करता असो आरोप आलेक्स रेजिनाल्ड लॉरेन्स हांणी केला. म्हज्या कार्यकर्त्यां सयत तशेंच मतदारसंघांतल्या लोकां कडेन उलोवप केल्या उपरांत आपणे तृणमूल काँग्रेस पक्ष सोडलो अशें रेजिनाल्ड म्हणटा. हांव एक लोकप्रतिनिधी, ते खातीर लोकांच्यो समस्या सुटाव्यो करपा खातीर हांव राजकारणांत आयला. फुटाफुटीचें राजकारण आपल्याक आवडना अशें तांणी सांगलें. गोमंतक टीव्हीच्या रणनीती ह्या कार्यावळींत तो उलयतालो.
They could take up issues and they would, be a fight against the BJP in the sense that, they had all the infrastructure. They have everything, but they are not able to capitalize because all these parties, they have a problem. They have an agenda. That agenda creates a difference where people get a chance to get divided. Finally, their objective is to divide the people, not to unite the people. That is why I left the Trinamool. When we went out to the party, when we went around with the people said, why, don't stay with the Trinamool. You either go independent or you go, because we want you in the assembly.
Correct.
There is nobody who will take issues the way you are taking issues, or rather who have taken issues. And in future also we feel that even now people are saying in the assembly that it is only you who is going to take up the issues, nobody else who is going to take up issues.